Use the space in various ways by adjusting the rear seats. To adjust the position of the rear seats, pull and hold the forward and backward lever, then move the seat to the desired position before releasing the lever. To adjust the seat back angle, pull and hold the seat back angle adjustment lever to recline the seat back to the desired angle before releasing the lever. Fold the seat backs down to expand the boot space. Whilst pressing the button, lower the rear headrest to its lowest position. Neatly secure the seat belts. Pull the seat back angle adjustment lever and fold the seat backs forward. Enjoy more versatile use with the expanded space.
Kia, movement that inspires.